Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 50 SE, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. To get started, you'll want to open up the standalone contacts application, like this one. I'm gonna skip signing in, it does not matter if we are signed in or not. Now next, you want to navigate to Fix and Manage, and then Manage SIM card, and here it will automatically show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. By default they should all be selected, but if you see some that are deselected and grayed out, don't worry, these already exist on your device. Additionally, you probably should have a drop-down menu between the Manage SIM and the first contact, but because I don't have any kind of Google account signed in, it's not showing up anything between. So it's automatically going to import to the only location it can, which is the device itself. Now, from here, you can select Import. This will obviously import all selected contacts, which you could deselect some that you don't want. And then under Contacts, when we go back to this tab, you should be able to see all the imported contacts. Additionally, you can also change the display location by clicking right here. It might show you the icon of your Google account, the device icon, or maybe a SIM card. Whichever one, if you have choices, they will be visible somewhere here. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.